Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall CoinGecko widget from website, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the CoinGecko widget from your website, begin by accessing your website's content management system or backend. Log into your website admin panel using your credentials. Navigate to the section where your website's widgets or plugins are managed. Locate the CoinGecko widget in the list of installed widgets or plugins. Click on the CoinGecko widget to open its settings or options. Look for the option to deactivate or uninstall the widget. If applicable, confirm the uninstallation by clicking on the confirmation prompt. After removing the widget, check your website's frontend to ensure it has been successfully removed. If the widget is still visible, clear your browser cache or refresh the page. For websites that use custom HTML or JavaScript, access the theme editor under the appearance settings. Search for the CoinGecko widget code within the HTML or JavaScript files. Carefully delete the entire snippet of code related to the CoinGecko widget. Save your changes to the file to ensure the widget is removed. Again, refresh your browser to check if the widget has disappeared. If you encounter any issues, consider reviewing your website's documentation or support resources for additional assistance. Once confirmed, ensure other elements of your website are functioning correctly after the removal. This process should help you successfully uninstall the CoinGecko widget from your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.